Right, so here we go. So this will be the second video for um instructions on the data curation process. This is going to be probably going to be your first assignment or one of the first assignments. So first, what you guys are going to do is once you have created the images, you guys need to label those images or create annotations over them. So in order to do that, you're going to go to MarkO.OmniForge.in, but right now it's not live yet because the last time that we deployed this tool was to test it out, and we were not planning on to making it go live again before uh, the final release, but since we need it right now, we will have it live and we'll let you know. We'll also share the link by the time this video reaches you guys. Uh, okay, so what you'll need to do is you will see screen which looks like this once you go to the uh, sent URL, and then you can click on the area right here, which opens up to this file manager, your system's file manager, and then you can upload an image from that, and then it will be your image, the image that you created. Uh, so it's going to be a spliced image that is a part of another image um, inserted over the original image, and you need to mark places where you have created this splicing. So you need to mark uh, both areas if you have created in like two places, if there is a boundary in two places. But if it is like a subset inside of an image, completely inside, maybe you'll need to create then four rectangles. Rectangles can overlap on top of each other. That's perfectly fine. But in this case, I only see two boundaries. So yeah, I'll be removing the uh, additional two which I have created right now. You can use the undo tool to do that, but if you want to add them back, you can always use the redo tool. It's an option. It's a button from the toolbar. So that itself is a tool in some ways maybe. Um, yep, I'll just take it out, and you'll have to be as precise as possible while you mark the area where the boundary exists. So what I'll do is maybe I'll use the hand tool to maybe properly place the rectangle uh, so that it encapsulates the whole area. And then the second rectangle is a bit big, so I'm going to use this edit tool or transform tool to get the rectangle to uh, be a bit smaller. It doesn't necessarily have to be really really thin to only capture the area where the boundary lies. We need it to be a bit thicker because the model which trains on this data needs to know the different textures that comes with that's on either side of the boundary. So yeah, we should have it marked as well. Not too thin, not too thick. Maybe somewhere in the middle. It's fine. You guys don't have to like get it like 100% right. There is no correct kind of data, but it should be matching to what I'm doing right now. And you can always use the scale tool or the zoom tool to zoom in or zoom out while you work, if that helps. And let's say that you have made a mistake and then you need to redo a rectangle, then just use this eraser tool. Don't drag over it, just click on it. It will go away, and then you can create another rectangle. But if you want to get the old one back, maybe just use the undo tool again. But in any case, do not use this uh, trash bin icon. It is to delete your whole file. So if you click on it, it's it, it's gonna delete your entire work instantly. Yep, it has to uh, come with a confirmation model or something like that. We are still working on this application, so it's going to be added. We still have a long list of bugs to cover, but if you guys spot any bugs, you guys can report it. It's a really good thing to do. Um, and then once you have finished working on an image, uh, you can take a preview of that. So the raw one, the annotated one, and yeah, this is the one that we're looking for right now. So masks, the raw image with the masks are the ones uh, which are the ones which will be used for um, training the model. And then once we have everything looking good, we can just go to this save button. I can press on the save button, which saves an individual image. There are options to upload multiple images, but I advise against it because yeah, we have some bugs. We have um, what do you say? Yep, we have listed out a couple of issues related to multiple file handling, and it looks neat at first, but why do we even have to take some risk? Um, we don't want to lose precious work that we have done, so make sure that if you want, you can try it out, but I advise against it. Um, so yeah, you can click on the download all button too. That's a waste of time. Just go to this save because it saves a dataset zip file which you can open and see that there are 4 files. I will be needing at least 2 of these. And then, yeah, we'll let you know where you can dump these zip files once they're finished, so that even we can review and incorporate into our training. And what happens if you click on the download all button? Nothing happens really. Just creates another folder to contain separate folders for separate images. So this is data 0. If there were 2 images, it was going to be data 0 and data 1. That's it. Okay, so I guess I have explained this annotation tool enough. And yeah, if you find any difficulties in using this tool, or if you find any bug, please go back to our WhatsApp group. Get it out there, get it cleared with any one of us, me or Gautam. Um, so yeah, this is the second part of the video. Make sure that you have watched the first part to get an idea on how to create these kind of images. All right then. Thank you for watching.